Hola, 皆さん、いらっしゃいませ。今は2番セグメントが日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし。皆さん、どうぞ。今は英語を話します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome for another round of verbs. Um, doing the casual form verbs to help improve on my translating of my novel, my latest novel, Trucker no Boken, currently on Shisetsu. Looking to do rewrites, and I need to get my fluency up even more, especially my writing. So we're going to do the next five verbs over here on the Genkis. If y'all got the Genkis, page 169, the U verbs. We're going jumping into the. We're in the middle of the U verbs at the moment, and we're going to start with our first word. All right, our first word is haku. 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 This is to put on um, items below your waist. Yeah, in Japanese, there's no universal word to put on in general, like we do, like dress, like to get dressed or to wear uh, or to put on. There's specific words for specific articles of clothing. To put something on around your waist, it's haku, while to put on a hat, it's kaburu. Mm, To put on, uh, to put on around waist. To put on the waist. Mhm. Okay. Oops. Haku. There we go. Haku. Here we go. Alright. So this would be hakanai. Mm. Hmm. Hakanai. There we are. Hakanai. Mm. Hakata. Hakata. And hakanakata. 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 Ooh, try saying that 5 times fast. Hakanakata. Next up is shiru. To get to know. Shiru. There we go. Shiru. There's two other variations. Shiteimasu and shirimasen, which is shiteimasu is I know, and shirimasen is I don't know. But we're focusing on the shiru. There we go. To get to know. 友達を知る。知る。知らない。 shiratta, and shiranakatta. Shiranakatta. Alright. That's shiru. Next up is sumu, to live. There we go. Sumu. To live. Not sumo, sumu. Sumo is the wrestling. Okay. Sumanai. Uh-oh. It might not be sumanai, maybe it's suminai. Let's see, sumu would be sunde, right? Sundanai. No. Let's see, sumimasu. All right, let's reference. Let's go to our reference all the way up at the top here. It should be sumanai. Because and over here will be sunda, but this should be sumanai, so I'm not getting the proper kanji for some reason. Sumu, sumanai. Well, let's see. Let's take a quick run over here to the charts. Here we go. Yeah, see, I am correct. It's suma. It should be sumanai. So why is it not giving me the correct kanji? Sumanai. Yeah, you see, it's not giving me the correct kanji that I'm looking for. Alright, I'll just have to shortcut this then. Of course, I could go to Jisho. Let me see. Because Genki says that it should be sumanai, because it's mu. Let's see here. Past tense is sunda, sumanakata. Sumanakata. Sumanai. Yeah. Sumanai. Sumimasen. Sumanakata. Sumanasen deshita. Sumanakute. Sumenai. So so for some reason MS Word didn't give me my kanji. So because I was right, it's sumanai. And this should be sunda. Because yeah, it should be sunda. in past tense. Sunda. Yeah. Yeah, see, and then it gives me this. Microsoft Word does give me that. I don't know why it didn't give me sumanai. Because it's absolutely correct. Okay. Well, sumanakata. Yeah, see, it's doing the same thing. It's not giving me the proper kanji. This is Microsoft Word acting up here. Because this is correct. This according to Jisho, even Genki confirmed that was right. Sumanai, Sunda, and Sumanakata. So that was very weird. Very strange. Alright, so our next word is hataraku. Hataraku, which is to work. Hataraku. To work. There we go. To work. Hataraku. Hataraku. So this is hatarakinai. Hata. Ta. Ra. Hatarakanai. There we go. Hatarakanai. Hatarata. Oh. Hatarata. No? Hatarakanai. Hatarata. Hatarata. Hatarakata. Hatarakata. There we go. Hatarakata. Kata. Double T's. Hatarakata. That little got that slight pause when it comes to ta. And hatakara na ka ta. Oh, hataka. Hatara. Hatara ka na ka ta. There we go. Hatanakata. Hakanakata. There we are. Hakanakata. Right. And our last word for the day. Our last verb is futoru. To gain weight. Futoru. To gain weight. Futoru. Here we go. Futaranai. Oh. Futaranai. Oh, I keep saying ta. Futoranai. Futoranai. Futorata. Futorata. And futoranakata. Hey, there we are. All right. And there is our verbs for this week. There we go. Just give me a little nudge here. There we go. はい、ありがとうございます、高井さん。Thank you for joining me. Have a great night. おやすみなさい。And that's it. As our 5 verbs for the day. Haku, to put on waist. Hakanai, hakata, and hakanakata. Shiru, to get to know. Shiranai, shiratta, shiranakata. Sumu, to live. Sumanai, sunda, sumanakata. Hararaku, to work. Hararakanai, hararakata, and harakanakata. And finally, futoru, to gain weight. Futoranai, futorata, and futoranakata. And this didn't give me my kanji. There we go. There we are. All right. And that's it. 皆さん、ありがとうございます。よーし、皆さん。Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much. 皆さん、来週まで、皆さん、お疲れ様でした。Good night. コメント、like、サブスクライブをください。お疲れ様でした。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。